Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Another great trade we are booking with a profit of in chamber fertilizers. So that trade I am going to discuss in this video, what the logic we are used and based on the candlesticks pattern, so that we booked a good profit on that particular stock. So can you able to find out the pattern where exactly it is? So very simple, using the candlesticks pattern, so we can find out such a good opportunity where there is a trade is present, and based on, so we are always doing with the options. So even we have to fight with the time value and then get the good profit if you are doing options. So most of the time I am doing with in the money options, so having a less time value, so we don't worry about the time decay. But if the market moves against us, we are going to lose money even this option. So the idea to take a in the money option is about time value decay. So if you are compared to ATM and ITM or OTM options, we have more time value decay, but compared to ITM, we have a less time value. So using the candlesticks pattern, we find out such a great opportunity in this particular stock of chamber fertilizer. So can you able to find out the pattern? So let I show you that. So what is the logic we have taken this position, and let's see, there is a candlesticks where it present hammer, that is, but hammer which present with the green formation, green color candle, even more powerful. If we are focusing the hammer candle, if it is forms like this, but it is not exact hammer. If any hammer candle forms like this, having more power, but here it is a hammer which forms with the red in color, so having less power on that. But based on that, how we can do the trade? And the next candle where you see there is a shooting star, there is a two consecutive reversal patterns which is present on the stock, means there is a buyers and sellers are playing with a huge volume. So that is the indication of this two candlesticks, so two consecutive opposite candlesticks pattern which present in a consecutive days. That will give you clear information whether the breakout is there, whether the upside or the downside when the next day market broken above the level, so we can try it. So the first day where the market is fallen down and recovered by the buyers, the market is started down and ending with the lower level. So this candle gives you the bulls are in control, right? In this particular day, so the bulls are in control, and the next day there is a candlestick where it is forms a sellers in control. So let's see, buyer or sellers both are playing with that particular stock in a day, in 2 days. So the buyers in control and sellers in control for a next day. There is a clue, there is a breakout on the stock. Whether if it is breaks below the level where we can focus for a selling opportunity, whether if it is breaks above the level, we are going to focus for a buying opportunity. So these are the key levels for the stock, where if it is broken in consecutive days on the high or low, so there is a good idea to break out kind of trade. So the next day on the December 1st, we got a upper side, higher side breakout, so that confirms you the bullish trend. And also previous 2 days the market is fallen down under the recovery, so it looks like a V-shaped recovery on that particular stock. But this information where we got it from that kind of a candlesticks pattern, the day 1 and the day 2. And also this is what a shooting star, where here it's a selling entry, here is the buying entry. But compared to this hammer candle, so there is an entry at this level and entry. So even if you are taking an entry at this level, based on this hammer candle, so if you are focusing the hammer candle, if you are taken any entry based on the hammer candle, we have taken the position around 370 with a stop loss below 350, but it never triggered your target. But next day it gives you the confusion, so whether forms a shooting star, maybe if it is breaks below the level, there is a sell opportunity. But combinedly these two candlesticks pattern, it gives you a clear idea where we are going to try take a position on breakout. So combined to this two candle, I find out a breakout opportunity on the December 1st. We got opportunity, it forms a 370 as the low, and it made a high of nearby 400. So such a good movement on the day where I took the position around 370 call option in this particular chart. So because it is a breakout trade where it is broken out the level, and this particular day low is under around 370. That's why we selected, or I selected 370 call option, which was trading around 35 rupees. I bought it at 35 and the lot size of 1500 quantity, and after that it was moving higher, and it does that particular day it reaches around 40 rupees, such a good profit. But I'm not yet booked on the profit, but next day I'm waited for that. Next day it's forming another kind of doji or a spinning top of kind of candle. So another confirmations where the market is broken that level, it may continues the trend. There is a good opportunity, and unfortunately or unfortunately today it broken the buy, and again the trend continues. Today it rocks well, and what I taken the position around 35, and today I was booking around 52, and now this option was trading made a high of 55. Such a great profit where we are booking on the based on the candlesticks pattern that I'm going to. So you want to focus any kind of candlesticks pattern, but you need to be follow that how it is continues the trend, or is there any other reversal pattern is happening on that stock. So if you are because I'm using only daily candlesticks pattern, that will give me such a great opportunity. And another thing which I'm focusing for, the recent low, whenever it made a recent low, there is a possibilities of recovery from that low. That is the main concept which I'm using. For example, this is what a shooting star where there is a given entry within a 2 days there is a good movement down, but whether I want to hold the position or not. So the next 2 days later there is a reversal pattern, that is what inside out. So I should exit this position, and this is what my new buy entry. So because it is in a lower level, and this trade works well, and again another inside out candlesticks pattern here, and it is also works well. There is a doji here, that is also works well, again a doji. So this candlesticks pattern most of the time it gives you good result, but we should manage with the risk reward ratio. That will help us to make such a great opportunity. So this two candlesticks confusing, but it tell us that there is a breakout. So that breakout we are catched earlier on the trade, and today we got such a good profit. Let's see with the options chart. There is a key in option chart also, but there is a drawback to find out that option chart. So where I show you that option chamber fertilizer. So I'm trying it out to make something good for this. And can you see this candlesticks pattern where there is a good opportunity at the bottom? If you compare these three, it's a morning star pattern. And if you see this bottom spinning top for a doji, not doji, it is a spinning top. And here there is a shooting star, and then market broken that level of 35, where you can exactly see this is nearby 35 level. When you see check that the high of this candle is around 33.35, but we have taken an entry around 35. Next day, yes, on the day itself it moves towards 40.95, next day 39, and today it is around 55, and now it is trading 53. So if you are checking with the lower time frame, there is another opportunity. We can you see that let's see harami candle pattern at the lowest level, harami candle pattern at lowest level. Here is the harami. So this is the thing which is helping you to make such a good trade while we are doing in a positional kind of trade. So the candlesticks always works better. So I have created a lot of candlestick scanners and screeners on the charting. So lot of questions also they are asking how to select a strike price, like how you are doing the trade like that. So based on the candlesticks pattern will tell you whether I am going to continue this position or I am going to exit from the position. So based on that we are planning such as trades that was working good and better. So today this trade what we have exactly done, that I show with my trade detail. So this is what a chamber fertilizers, where we have bought around 34.5 and sold it at around 52 now. And this was not a intraday trade. And again remember, we are mostly doing the positional trade. Intraday trade sometimes it triggers my stop loss, after 2 days later it will be even more than my entry price. So that is the problem with my intraday trades. So but positionally we should hold until unless the trend changes, we will wait. So there is an entry, 35 and we are booking near about 26,000. This is not only done by only one client. We have almost 7 clients. We are doing the same trade. So it's more than 1.5 lakhs from this kind of trade. It is a positional, not for intraday. We are taken as a positional basis, and today it triggers my target. We are booking such a good profit on that. So that is my trade detail where I did with my based on candlesticks and also my advanced options trading strategy. That is the combination of candlesticks as well as my advanced options trading strategy. If you want to apply my strategy, you don't need any candlesticks pattern at all. But if you are using the candlesticks pattern, even more power you can utilize our strategies. That's about this video, and finally we book good profit of 25 plus K. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you are not yet subscribed, kindly make subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.